We do recommend that the door guard is used with a floor plate because it holds the door open more strongly, and also it will stop it from creeping closed, especially if it's fitted onto a laminate or a kind of wooden floor. It comes with two floor plates. We've got this one with a bump stop. Now this is okay if the door opens up against a wall, but it potentially that bump stop could be a trip hazard, so we also send out this version, which is the flat floor plate version. So what we're looking to do is we're looking to line the edge of the rubber foot on the door guard up against that recess, and then on this one we're going to use the one with the bump stop, so we want the back of the door to be close up against that edge of the bump stop. So first off, down here, push the plunger down, and as you can see that's against that edge, and then we come round to the back of the door, and then what I've done is I've just swiveled that round so the bump stop's against that back edge of the door. What that means is there's going to be no movement back and forwards. So now we're happy with the position of the floor plate, we can release the door guard, and we're just going to mark the 4 holes where we need to position that, and we're going to check for cables and pipes and everything before we drill into the ground.